Here's a really nice truck in a great price range. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, Bighorn, 4-wheel drive with a very powerful 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Around back, dual exhaust, factory tow package, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, power release tailgate that's easy down and easy up. Spray-in bed liner, power sliding rear window. Really sharp chrome 20-inch wheels with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Plenty of room for all your rear seat passengers. They also have access to heating and air vents in the back of the center console. It's billet silver metallic with two-tone gray and black interior. Tinted windows, color keyed door handles, factory chrome wheel-to-wheel step bars, daytime running lights, fog lights down below, front park assist. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, all-weather maps throughout, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, even power folding mirrors. Automatic headlights, fog light controls, cargo light controls, power pedals, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 46,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera, rotary gear selector, 4-wheel drive controls, dual zone climate controls, factory integrated trailer brakes, an array of USB ports and an auxiliary audio jack, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, power sliding rear window controls, and a universal garage door opener located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Bighorn 4-wheel drive with the Hemi, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.